art in the background. So if you guys know any Twitch artists who you really like, send them to me. Like, send me their links and I'll buy from them. I have to sneeze. No, I didn't want it to be on stream. It's weird. Ah! 39 Daff has a shop? Then I'm gonna check her out because I really like her art too. It's really cute. I really hope she has some cute stuff. No! Stop sneezing. I made it a long time. I feel like I have to sneeze so bad. Again. As a video source for the stream, Droid Cam, thank you. Can you put that in messages to Aiko for me if you wouldn't mind? Hey, what's up, Elja? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You want to make love to me? Because I didn't know it was satire at first, and I thought it was like a real story, and I was really confused why anyone would watch a story of a guy. That might have been the first time I sneezed on stream in a long time. I usually get it. I usually mute. Yeah. So, felt uncomfortable. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't like One Punch Man. My power would be... Oh, okay. Oh god, something new. Failed. Oh, got lots of new things. Okay, what up? New. Okay. Excuse me. Hey, what's up, Frog Lord? Okay, neato. Quit alchemy. Thank you. I hope the weird clipping bot doesn't get me. Ah! I gotta sneeze. No, that's not fair. I'm taking everything. Go! I can sell this shit later, right? Thank you.
We'll need them.
I want to redeem a compliment. Can you do it in Spanish? Yeah, I can do it in Spanish. What do you want me to... Bye, Scully. Deeper to sender. I've got to sneeze really bad. Shit. Do not clip my sneezing. Okay, here we go. What if I get like 4 things of lettuce? Yeah, that's healthy. And then you get 4 things of lettuce and you're like, oh my god, I have to eat 4 things of lettuce. It's a lot of lettuce. I get delivery food. Ultimately, your body's taking in too much sugar from the fries and salads? Yeah. Also, I was drinking Starbucks. Thank you. My allergies are acting up. Hey, guess what? I'm worried about my intent behind the words I say. Hold on 1 second. My allergies have been so bad. 35 months. I know. What else you guys got? Got some money in here? That's nice. Excuse me. What's up, Animo? How was your surgery? I hope everything went well. Thank you. Thank you. I've got to look and make sure that I don't get clipped on all those sneezes again. It's pretty weird. Okay, let's... You can fall asleep in 1 minute. It takes me about 2 hours to wind my brain down. Rayurn. So it's okay to just have time and, excuse me, routine. And once you get into a routine of sleep, it's much easier. How old is she? Why does it matter? I missed it. Sometimes it's like, okay, the dishwasher full of clean dishes. One dish outside of the dishwasher, animal bowl with water. Hold on, I have to one, so then it's like, okay, well, you just gotta clean the animal. Wait, this is North American writing. This is, wait, what? NA writing? This better not be NA. This place is too scary. I don't want to live here. Okay, this is all we get. Ah! Mississippi? NE for sure. All right, I'm gonna say the first one I saw. No sleep for you, Minnesota. Minnesota is located right here. Bless you. Yeah, I feel like it's